In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people to Basecamp. First, open your browser and head to the Basecamp sign-in page. This is where everything starts. Type the email address you use for Basecamp and click Next. On the following screen, enter your password and complete the sign-in. If your organization uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, just follow those prompts to finish logging in. Once you're in, go to the project where you want to add someone. From your Basecamp home screen, you'll see your list of projects. Click the project card to open it. Inside the project, look for the People area. This is where you can manage who has access. Click the option that says Add some people to get started. On the next screen, choose Add People. This opens the form where you'll select who you're bringing into the project. In the search field, start typing your teammate's name. Basecamp will look through people who already belong to your company's Basecamp account and show matches as you type. It helps to use the name they use in Basecamp or their company email, especially if you work with a large team. If you don't see the person you're looking for, that usually means they haven't been added to your Basecamp account yet. In that case, invite them to your account first, and then come back to this project to add them. That sequence is important because you can only add people to a project after they exist in the account. Next, write a short personal note. This message appears in their invitation and sets context. Keep it helpful. Mention why you're adding them, what they should review first, and any deadlines or responsibilities they should know about. A clear note reduces back and forth and helps them get productive right away. When everything looks good, click Add them to the project. Basecamp will confirm the change, and your teammate will receive a notification or email letting them know they now have access. You'll see their name in the project's people list, which is a quick way to double-check that everything worked. That's all there is to it. Sign in, open the project, choose. Add some people, click Add People, search for your teammate, include a helpful note, and add them to the project. If you're onboarding several teammates, repeat the same flow for each person. And remember, if someone doesn't appear in search, invite them to your Basecamp account first before adding them to the project.